Yo, what's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how you can update to the latest Switch firmware 8.1.0 and update to latest Atmosphère 0.9.1. And it's quite simple, so just follow me, it should be totally fine. To begin with, you need to go to this website. I will link it in the description. And you need to go ahead and download the Atmosphère as well as the Fuse primary. And when you've done that, you need to go to the next website. And you need to go ahead and download Shanyud on your NX. And take the latest 1.0.2. Go ahead and download this one. And when you have done that, you can go to the next website, Switch firmware. And in here, you need to press next and next again until you can see 8.1.0. And you need to download this one. When you have done that, you need to connect your SD card to your computer, and you need to open it up. And now you need to extract this zip file until you get, so you can get this file or map. And this one you need to go ahead and drag and drop it to your SD card. And yeah, when you have done that, you need to put the new Fuse primary into your bootloader folder in Atmosphère. So you just go ahead and drag and drop this one to your bootloader and erase. And you also need the Shanyud on your NX.nro. This one you need to put into your Switch folder. So just go ahead and drag and drop this one into your Switch folder. And yeah, when you've done that, you need to go to the Atmosphère folder, the one that you have downloaded. And these files you need to go ahead and drag and drop to your SD card. Just like that. And yeah, you're done for now. So I'll see you on the Nintendo Switch. Right, so when you are at your Nintendo Switch again, you need to open up your custom firmware folder. And now you can see that you have Shanyud on your NX. What you need to do is you need to launch it. You need to select your folder with firmware 8.1.0. And you need to choose. And if you have an exFAT supported SD card, you can choose to have with the exFAT support drivers or the normal FAT32. I have FAT32, so I need to choose this one. And this will load up every single file in the new firmware. When that's done, you need to select firmware. And you can start installation. And just wait for it to finishing up. Alright, so when that's done, you need to hit the reboot button. And you can choose reboot now. And just let it boot up. And now you need to choose launch and payloads and the Fuse primary. Okay, so when it's booted up, you can go into settings, scroll down into system, and you can see that you're on the latest. And you can also go into custom firmware folder, and you can see it's totally working. And yeah, thank you for watching, and like, subscribe. Bye.